Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Versa. With its roomy and inviting interior, impressive technology, and exceptional gas mileage, the Nissan Versa is smart to own and fun to drive. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, traction control, stability control, braking assist, battery saver, power brakes, cruise control, multifunction display, power windows, cargo area light. Come see the car for yourself.